Have you ever had such a headache when the project requirements change and the work is more active and the cycle is so busy, you forget a trick to teach you to quickly do a good job in project management? Open the Wondershare EdrawMind map file and analyze it intelligently. Import the audio of the meeting recording. Start parsing files, recordings, AI parsing, generating brain maps, and all the meeting points are here. When disassembling the brain map, you can also click on the picture to insert the picture from the Huawei mobile phone, tablet. Seamlessly insert pictures from your phone into your mind map. Then click on the Kanban view to turn the mind map into a task Kanban board. Click here to set the schedule, adjust the priority, and schedule. Add tag information and task time. Not only that, you can also use Wondershare EdrawMind map to generate PPT speech content. If you don't like the current layout, you can also click on other PPT